Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda Pilot glove compartment. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the engine is off for convenience. The glove compartment is located on the passenger side dashboard, directly in front of the passenger seat. It's a simple process and will guide you through each step to access your vehicle's storage space quickly and easily. Let's get started. Next, focus your attention on the glove compartment door itself. You'll find a small button or lever, typically centered along the top edge of the door. This is the release latch. It's designed for easy, one-handed operation. Simply press this button firmly inward or pull the lever, depending on your specific Honda Pilot model, to disengage the locking mechanism. It should move with minimal effort. Once you've pressed the release latch, the glove compartment door will gently swing downward. It typically opens to about a 90-degree angle, providing you with ample access to the contents inside. You can now easily reach for your owner's manual, registration, insurance documents, or any other items you store there. The opening mechanism is smooth and controlled, preventing the door from dropping abruptly. Finally, to close the glove compartment, simply push the door firmly upward. You'll hear a distinct click as the latch engages, indicating that it's securely closed. Always ensure the door is fully latched to prevent it from opening unexpectedly, especially when driving. This simple action keeps your important documents and personal items safely stored and out of sight. You've successfully opened and closed your Honda Pilot's glove compartment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.